at this, look at it. What the? Part 2 is about to come. Let's witness some madness, shall we? So right now is New Year happening about 7 minutes ago, and there's more fireworks than before. So I was like, let me film part 2 because consistency is key to, you know what I mean. So yeah, this will be. Right now I'm going upstairs. You can see. Yeah, let's go witness. Look at this, look at this. No way. No way, keep it coming. Well, work for me. Keep it coming, man. Don't tell me you ended. There was completely madness around the block. Why didn't you stop as soon as I came, you fucking bitch? Like last video, this will be so easy because I actually saw my neighbor around doing clothes. Just know I'm doing that. But otherwise, let's try to find some more area to, you know, do my thing and yeah, see you. So guys, and honestly, I don't even know where I am. I just ran and followed the fireworks, so I'm actually lost. Help me. What is up? Okay, I cannot even feel my hands. Let me just check around. If there's anything, let me just find anything except this shit. That is okay. I was a little bit late because I was more late. I don't even know what the fuck is my home is, man. But for you guys, alright, everything is for see that siren. That siren is do whatever you want. You know those crime. This do you see the yellow? What the fuck is that? I will have their voice. Are they like what? What is this? What? In what universe are we on? Not even currently. Let me just come from here. If I fall down, please, yeah, Rabbi, please don't fall down. Okay, I don't like that. I don't like this. As I'm gonna be releasing my music soon. Like, okay, oh my god, no way, no. Come again. Whatever witness, okay. Okay, come again, go. Someone might be shooting gun and GG's for them. Because I don't even know what this cloud is. See, fuck my hand, I cannot feel and I'm wearing some gloves, but please. God told me to ask me. But I say no because I don't know bullshit. Okay. That's what I fucking like. That's the camera cut down. Yeah, no luck at all. No fucking luck. I'm just. I will walk home and I will keep recording. So yeah, you will be the end of the video until I'm over. Shit, I cannot do this. Look at the neighbors watching. Shall I feel it? Yeah, we'll leave the windows open. We are having dinner with neighbors and I'm not. I'm starving and they will not be feeding me. I don't care. My fucking hand, bro. My fucking hands. My fucking hands. I don't know.